Then now, uh, I want to see a particular company's information. For example, Tata Steel. I want to know something about Tata Steel. I'm interested in Tata Steel. Okay, then type here in search button Tata Steel and click here page. A separate page will open. A page has opened. In this, you can see the basic information about Tata Steel. Those who are interested to invest in Tata Steel must see this information. This is the basic information available in NSE. See, Tata Steel Limited, symbol Tata Steel. You can see here symbol of Tata Steel, and each company has been assigned with one number. This is the unique number which has been assigned to Tata Steel. Like how there will be a unique number assigned to each student. For example, there are university seat number, USN number. Each student has been allotted with each USN. In the same way, each company listed in NSE has been assigned with this ISIN number. And then status, is it listed or not listed? Tata Steel is listed in NSE. Almost all companies in NSE are listed. Date of listing. When did Tata Steel listed in NSE? Tata Steel listed in NSE in the month of November 18th, 1998. And in which industry does Tata Steel belong? It belongs to steel industry. And then coming to symbol PE, means company's PE and sectoral index PE. What do you mean by PE? PE means price to earning ratio. It comes in fundamental analysis. Right now, don't bother about PE ratio. When I explain about fundamental analysis, I will explain these two, PE ratio, EPS, and there are so many other variables which come under fundamental analysis. I'll explain in that video. Okay, and coming to sectoral index. Can you remember in this video only we discussed something about sectoral indices? Companies are grouped according to sector and a list in sectoral indices. Tata Steel comes under metal, Nifty metal. Okay, and scroll down. This is very important information, price information. You need to look at the price information. Right now, the company share Tata Steel is trading at 1178.5. I am recording this video during market hours. Okay, the market is open at the time when I'm recording this video. Okay, at this time, the company share is trading at this price. This is called CMP, current market price. What do you mean by this? See, can you see 13.70, 1.18, and this symbol, okay, green symbol. What do you mean by this? Than compared to previous close, okay, than compared to previous close, right now the company is trading at this price. Okay, so that's why it is in green. I'll explain this, don't worry. This is previous closing price, means yesterday Tata Steel has closed at 1164.80. When yesterday at 3:30 it has closed at 1164.80, and today in the morning at 9:15 it has opened at 1170 rupees. It has opened at this price, and right now I'm recording this video at 11:50 and the current market price is at this level. Then compared to previous close, has it increased? It has increased, right? It has increased. How many points it has increased? 13.70. In percentage, 1.18% it has increased. Okay. And intraday high and low. Right now, the company share is trading at 1178.50. Okay. And it has gone high to 1186.80 and low at 1160.10. This is today's high and low. Now I want to know the 52 weeks high and low. Okay, come right side of this website. You can see 52 weeks high and low. For the entire year, the share price has touched 1246.85 high and 301.3 low. As on 16th June 2020, it has touched 301.30, which was low, 52 weeks low. As on 12th May 2021, it has touched 1246.85. It is 52 weeks high, and right now the share price is trading near to 52 weeks high at 1178.50. See, this is current market price. This is very important information. Before investing in any company, you need to look at this information. Okay, what do you come to know with this? The share price is trading at 52 weeks high. It means it is overvalued. If you ask me whether you are going to invest in this company, obviously I say no. I don't want to invest in this company right now because it is overvalued. It is trading at 52 weeks high. I don't want to invest in this company. Okay, I will wait the company share to fall down. I'll be waiting and I will look at technical analysis. I will see charts and find out the right time to enter in the stock. Fundamentally, it is good, but right now it is not correct time to invest in this company because it is overvalued. This is very important information. Beginners have to know this information. That's all, my dear student friends. This is what I wanted to explain in this video, NSE website analysis. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section, or you can also ask questions in Telegram group Laya. And I strongly suggest you people don't watch this video like a movie and come to NSE website, type NSE in Google, open NSE website, and whatever I told in this video, do this practically. I told you have to go to indices, see all the different indices, and click on Nifty 50. You can see all the Nifty 50 shares, see all the Nifty 50 shares, and type any company of your choice. I have typed Tata Steel. You type any company of your choice. For example, Enfi, Infosys. Okay, I will type Infosys. Okay, see, look at the information. Look at the information. Try to understand. Do it. Then only you can understand. Okay, then meet you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.